We have another example on the board. First, we have to find where is my u factor and v factor. Okay, so this is my u factor and this is my v factor. Okay, so first I have to write them down. U is equal 1 minus x squared. Next, you're supposed to find the derivative of it. So u prime is equal, derivative of constant is 0. I'm supposed to copy down the sign. We can write the 0 at this moment. 0 minus, and the derivative of x squared is equal to x. So u prime is equal negative 2x. Next, we're supposed to find v. So v is equal 1 plus x squared to the second power. So if you want to find the derivative of it, you're supposed to use this formula. Remember, the constant is invisible one over here. I'm not going to write it. So instead of c, I'm going to leave the empty space. Next is n. N is my exponent. So I'm going to write over here 2. U is the content of the parentheses. This is my u in this case. So I have 1 plus x squared, and I have n minus 1. Okay, so n minus 1, I have 2 minus 1 is equal 1. I'm not going to write it over here. And I have to find the derivative of u. Okay, derivative of u respect to x. So derivative of 1 is equal 0, so I'm not going to write it, plus derivative of x squared is equal to x. Okay, v prime is equal 2 times 2x is equal 4x times 1 plus x squared. Okay, and I'm going to keep this form. Next, we are going to apply the formula. So I have y prime equals u, which is equal 1 minus x squared, times v prime, which is equal 4x 1 plus x squared, plus v, which is equal 1 plus x squared to the second power, times u prime, which is equal negative 2x. Now let's organize this a little bit. So we have y prime is equal, because we have product, I'm going to write 4x at the front, and I have 1 minus x to the second power times 1 plus x squared. Now negative 2 I'm going to bring to the front. I'm going to have negative 2x, open parenthesis, 1 plus x squared to the second power. Next, we can do some factorization. So I have y prime is equal, I have 4x and I have 2x. I can factorize 2x, and I can factorize 1 plus x squared. So I have 1 plus x squared. Okay, and I'm going to have inside of the brackets 2 times 1 minus x to the second power minus 1 plus x squared. Next, we have y prime is equal 2x 1 plus x squared, and let's organize the expression inside of the brackets. So I have 2 minus 2x squared minus 1 minus x squared. Okay, so I have y prime is equal 2x 1 plus x squared, and I have 2 minus 1 is equal 1, Negative 2x squared minus x squared is equal negative 3x squared. And this is the solution to my problem.